In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Slack workspace. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Slack interface. Scroll down a bit and locate the option that says Add Apps. This is where the magic begins. Once you click on Add Apps, a new window will pop up, giving you access to a range of applications to enhance your Slack experience. You'll want to look for the search bar, usually positioned at the top of the window. Type in Microsoft Teams and hit Enter. This will pull up relevant applications, and among them you should see the Microsoft Teams Calls app. Go ahead and click on that option. Now you're almost there. Once you've selected it, look for a button that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and click that button. What you'll see next is an integration request. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks good. Once you're ready, click on the Allow button. This will link the application to your Slack workspace. After granting permission, the next step is to authenticate your Microsoft account. You'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and enter your Microsoft account credentials. This is a crucial step, so take your time and make sure you're typing in the correct information. Once you're logged in, you might see an option that says Open this link in your browser. Go ahead and click on that. This action will redirect you back to Slack. And just like that, the integration is complete. You'll now find Microsoft Teams conveniently listed under your sidebar apps in Slack. This integration allows for seamless communication between Slack and Microsoft Teams, making collaboration across platforms much easier. To recap, you logged into Slack, navigated to Add Apps, found Microsoft Teams, added it to your Slack workspace, allowed the necessary permissions, and authenticated your Microsoft account. It really is a straightforward process, and now you can enjoy the benefits of linking these two powerful tools. If you run into any issues during this process, remember that you can revisit any of these steps at any time. Both platforms offer support and help resources, so don't hesitate to check those out if needed. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me today while we explored how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that can help enhance your productivity and collaboration.